Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're brand new. This is part 2 of my 2 tutorials in one, series, I think I should call it. I don't know. If you haven't seen part 1 of this series already, please make sure you click that I on top and I will link it in the description box down below, because in that you'll see how I got this makeup look right here, the eyes and everything. This is part 2, so basically in today's video I'm going to finish off this look with a lipstick, and I'm doing like a dark berry colored lipstick, and I'm going to show you how I turn any lipstick into a matte lipstick, because I'm a big matte lipstick fan. None of my makeup looks are complete without a matte lipstick. This is a technique that I do to convert any lipstick into a matte finish. So if you want to know how to do this cool technique, please keep watching. But before that, if you like this video, please make sure you click that thumbs up, and also do not forget to click that red subscribe button right under this video and the bell next to it, because that way you'll be notified every time I come up with a new video. Also, I think you should subscribe, because then you're gonna miss all the makeup tips that I give you on this channel, and I don't think you wanna miss it. So do it right now. Click it. Click that button. I'm waiting for you. So without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So for this technique, you'll need 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. You will need 5 things, starting with a lip liner. So for today, I'm going to be doing like a dark berry lip to complement the eyes. I'm going for a very bold makeup. So I'm going to be going in with my Deborah lip liner in number 12. This is like a dark maroony purpley shade, because I don't have a matching lip liner to the lipstick that I'm going to be using, but this works perfectly fine. Like, I don't fuss about having the same lip liner as the lipstick. I can work with either here or there. So the lipstick I'm going to be using today is by Color Essence. It is their Intense Longwear Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade Antique Ruby. The third thing that I'm going to need is a toilet roll or any tissue paper that you have. I just find these easier to like carry around and like throw it in my vanity or whatever. The fourth thing you're gonna need is a flat foundation brush. This is by my makeup brush set. This is actually like a dupe for the Real Techniques metal collection. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, this is a flat foundation brush, but it has like 3 sides. So I use just one flat side, if you can see that I've already used it. The last thing that you will need is a translucent powder. For today, I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder in Translucent. This is my holy grail powder. It does not crease at all, and it makes everything super smooth, airbrushed feeling, and it's amazing. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips with a lip liner. My lips are like a little plumper on this side, so if it looks uneven, it is. Once I've lined my lips, I'm going to go in with my lip color, which is the Color Essence Intense Longwear Liquid Lip Color in Antique Ruby. And this is supposed to be a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't really dry down to a matte finish. It's quite, do you see? Satin glossy. So I'm just gonna fill my lips with this shade. And that is the lips done. And this is the lipstick on its own. You see how freaking shiny and glossy it is? Like, it looks good on some people, but on myself personally, I hate it. Like, I can't wear anything but matte lipstick. Like, do you get me? Are you one of those who just cannot wear anything but a matte lip? That's me, okay? That's really, really me. Then what I'm gonna do is take a toilet roll or a tissue or whatever, and I'm just going to slightly dab the excess off my lips, because when we go in with that translucent powder, we don't want too much to come off, so slight excess to be removed. Okay, that's a lot. This has kind of brought down the intensity. You can always go back in, which is what I'm going to do. Plus, layering your lipstick is never a bad thing if you do it properly. I blot that excess as well, just a tad bit. Then I'm gonna go in with my translucent powder, which is the LA Girl Pro Powder, and I'm going to dump some of that on the cap. So let's just do, whoa, crap. And you also need a flat foundation brush. This is by my makeup brush set. I've done like a whole review on these brushes. I will link it in on the left side, I think. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my flat side and dip it into my translucent powder and tap off the excess, and then I'm gonna dab that brush on my lips. Can you see how instantly matte it becomes? Okay, the only problem with this translucent powder is that it has really bad scent and it really gets into my nose. So we will repeat the process till we have covered all sides of our lips. Make funny faces because that's what I'm gonna do, because I wanna get into that little crevice. And that's it, you have a matte lip. You just went from glossy to matte with just one step, and you didn't even have to spend extra money. Now, even though this is a matte lip, it is not transfer proof. It will stain, you know, your cups and your things and your food and your spoons, but it doesn't affect the longevity of the lipstick. If the lipstick you're gonna use underneath is long lasting, it's not gonna affect that. It's just gonna make it matte. I can accept this look now with a matte lip, and I don't have to buy the same shade in a matte shade because I can just create a matte lip at home. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick makeup tip. If you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to click that red subscribe button under this video and the bell next to it, because that way you'll be notified every time I upload, which is usually once a week. Don't forget to watch the part 1 of this video, because that's a whole tutorial on how to get this look and the eyes and the face and everything. It will be on the screen on my left or my right and in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.